digital marketing, success isn't just about having a website or running ads. It's about having a well-thought-out business model that can truly transform your business. Today, I'm going to unveil the secret strategies behind successful digital marketing models in Pakistan that can take your business to new heights. Firstly, let's talk about the introduction to a digital marketing business model. It's all about understanding your target audience, setting clear objectives, and choosing the right channels to reach your customers effectively. Without a solid foundation, your digital marketing efforts may fall short. Next, let's dive into the key components of a digital marketing business model. From SEO and content marketing to social media and email campaigns, each component plays a crucial role in driving traffic, generating leads, and ultimately increasing sales. It's about creating a cohesive strategy that aligns with your business goals. Now, how does this all work in Pakistan? Well, the digital landscape in Pakistan is rapidly evolving, with a growing number of internet users and a thriving e-commerce market. By leveraging local insights, cultural nuances, and the latest digital tools, businesses in Pakistan can create impactful marketing campaigns that resonate with their target audience. In conclusion, if you want to succeed in the digital age, it's essential to adopt a strategic digital marketing business model. And that's where MBT SKILL ACADEMY comes in. With our expert-led courses and hands-on training, you can learn how to implement these strategies effectively and drive real results for your business. So, are you ready to unlock the power of digital marketing and take your business to the next level? Join us at MBT SKILL ACADEMY and let's transform your business together.